all right, it's there. Equations involving multiplication or division. 6y is equal to 84. If you were to have this problem in front of you like you do right now, can you explain what's going on, explain what's happening, explain what we have to do to solve it? Interpret. 6y equals 84. Cal? Say again?
6 is being multiplied by y, a number.
And then their what is 84? What's the fancy term? Product. Sum is when you add. Product is when you multiply. Very good. We're going to multiply 6 and y. We just don't know what y is right now. How am I going to find out what y is? How am I going to get y by itself if it's being multiplied by 6? Equations, we focus on opposites. What's the opposite of multiplying by 6? And we're going to do that where? Both sides. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1y, show me 1y. It looks just like that. 84 divided by 6. How do you know for sure it's 14? Plug it in. It is. Okay. Okay. Try this one. 132 equals 11 cubed. What's happening here? Yeah. Right now we're multiplying, but I don't know what I'm multiplying by. The only way I'm going to know is to divide both sides by the 11. And 132 divided by 11 is what? 12. Very good. All right. Does it matter that the 132 came on the left side? And no, remember, that doesn't make any difference, just like a scale. All right. So these multiplication equations involved division. When you see division equations such as this is a division equation, which we will solve using what process? So what is x being divided by? The opposite of divided by 8? We're going to multiply both sides by 8. Watch what happens when I multiply that side by 8. Anything in common? 8 and 8? 1. X times 1 over 1 is x. And then the 11 times the 8? 88. Is 88 divided by 8 11? Very good. Okay, a little bit different here. Now, y isn't being divided by anything. In fact, the 39 is being divided by the y. So what do I need to do to both sides? Cal? I know, I understand it's 13, but it's not going to help you. We need to know the process. Yes? No. I need a process. I need a process. I need a process that's going to work. What do we do here? When I had a problem like this, here is where the action is. That tells me what I'm dividing by. What's on the bottom? What's on the bottom here? So, to do this and move this around, let's do what? Multiply both sides by what? Y. Okay? So when I multiply 39 times y, 39y, (39 times y is going to equal just 39. 3 times y, it's going to make it 3y. Because if I multiply this 39 over y times y, those y's cancel out. Leaves me with just 39 on that side. Multiply that times y. Now we go back and say, okay, we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we should get 13. Which is fine if you can look at the numbers and say, oh yeah, I mean, I knew that a long time ago, but you still have to know the process, okay? Still have to sniff out what's actually going on. Okay?